there, everybody. Alnisa here. So I wanted to let y'all know that I got a package today. I went to the mailbox, right? So I haven't opened it, but this is from one of my programs, the direct mail order program. So you got to find out which one it is. All right, and just so y'all know, all right, okay, is that backwards? Anyway, it was addressed to me, just so everybody can see that, right? Okay. All right, so this is the money program. Yeah, that's looking kind of backwards there. All right, this says, because I forgot I got the camera flipped around. Anyway, I'm a newbie, so I'm still working all the kinks out. But this program is called Whole Lotta Jacksons, right? And here's the cash: 2468. Now, this person paid to receive, their own flyer, and they paid 20 to the admin. So that's why I said a whole lot of Jacksons, because Jackson is on the front of the 20. So just a short video to let you know that this works. Look, that's real cash. Smells good. Anyway, y'all got questions, you want to join, you can get a flyer just like this to send out, and then you can start bringing that cash in. So just contact me, via messenger, or send me info request on my wall, and then I can get you started. Okay, so happy Saturday.